Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add colorized black and white tutorial on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And after this, in here you just click on the effect at the bottom and then click on the video effect. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the basic, click on it, then in here you can swipe to down until you can see to color. This one, you can click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the check icon, this one. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video, and after this, in here you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed. Okay, after this, in here you just click on the for the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that how to colorize black and white tutorial. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.